Are you trying to remove your Instagram from Facebook but can't find the remove button? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you a new method that actually works. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook step by step, even if the remove option is missing. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Now tap on the menu icon, the three lines on the top right. Go to settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Here you'll see something called account center. Tap on that. Now go to manage accounts and you'll see your Instagram account listed here. Select your Instagram account. Now here's the important part. Instead of a remove button, you might see an option called move out of this account center. Don't get confused, this is the new version of the remove option. Simply tap on it. Tap move account. Now tap continue at the bottom. And here you may see create password option. Tap it and set a new password for Instagram. This step is very important because it allows Instagram to work separately from Facebook. Confirm everything and finish the process. After that, your Instagram will fully separate it from Facebook. No shared login, no auto posting. Both accounts work independently.